Hello everyone, I am Bhavna from ClearTax. Today, let's understand the difference between a domicile certificate and an incorporation certificate. So, before we do the actual comparison, let's first understand what a domicile certificate is. In general, a domicile certificate or a residence certificate is issued by the state government to prove that an individual is a resident of that particular state or union territory as stated in the domicile certificate. This is a document by which an individual can avail various benefits such as education, job, and several other benefits. So, how does one obtain a domicile certificate? An applicant can get the application forms from the local authorities such as the Tahsildar's office or the sub-divisional or magistrate or district collector's office or the revenue department or any other authorized authority in the state or the union territory. So now, let's look at the documents which are required for obtaining a domicile certificate. Number 1. Proof of residence such as ration card or driving license. Number 2. Age proof such as birth certificate, school certificate, etc. Number 3. 2 passport size photographs. Number 4. Proof of identity such as an Aadhaar card, PAN card, etc. Number 5. A self-declaration form. Number 6. A duly filled application form. Number 7. Photocopies of all documents duly attested by a government official. Number 8. An affidavit from the court. So now, let's look at what an incorporation certificate is. Incorporation certificate is a legal document which brings the company into existence or makes the company formation valid. So, what does this incorporation certificate comprise? This certificate will have the company's name with its abbreviation, the date of incorporation, the address of the registered office of the company. So now, let's look at the major differences between a domicile certificate and an incorporation certificate. Domicile certificate is issued to an individual, whereas an incorporation certificate is issued to a company. A domicile certificate is considered as proof of residence, whereas an incorporation certificate is considered as the formation proof of a company's existence. Only a permanent resident of particular state can apply for a domicile certificate. In case of incorporation certificate, there is no such requirement. In case of a domicile certificate, a director identification number, which is the DIN, is not required. However, in case of an incorporation certificate, DIN is required. In case of a domicile certificate, the application has to be filed at the Tahsildar's office or sub-divisional or magistrate or the district collector's office. In case of an incorporation certificate, the application has to be filed with the Registrar of Companies, which is the ROC. Domicile certificate is used to avail various admissions, job and other benefits. An incorporation certificate is a legal document which brings the company into existence. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every time we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more updates.